Rahim, today, as you know, that we people are going to have a very wonderful presentation, which is very a crucial, you can say that, topic in our life. Because most of the time, what we say, what our parents say, there is the problem of understanding. So let's bridge it now, and let's start the presentation.
Top of the reason is that the parents used to compare their childrens with another childrens, and and it also make the mindset of it also leads to the stress or depression of children.
What is your opinion regarding this question now? If you want to become a doctor, then there is a proper education. You have to go to the medical college for 5 years. If you want to become an engineer, so you have to spend 5 years there. If you are going to become parents, there is no qualification how to become a good parents. So do you think that why it is happening? For example, if you just get married and you become a parent there, and you don't know that how to deal with the older ones, how to deal with the children one, you are making your own rules. Do you think that there is a need of that kind of education?
Yes, sir. There is a need of that kind of education, and it is somehow the responsibility goes to the education system of our country, and maybe the I have seen many of uneducated parents who taught their children very well, who grew their grow up their children very well.
There are
a few,
few people are living there,
but I think
and they inherit that kind of thing from their family members. Yes. And the people they do not inherit that kind of thing. They are always in a confusion that how to plan their life, how to train their children to survive in this kind of world.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Would you like to say, ma'am, sir, on that?
It's not very common yet, but some institutes, some prestigious institutes like LUMS are offering such courses. And it's not that there is not the education, but they are the parents who don't want to go to school just to learn how to how to bring up their children. Definitely we need such education. It is not necessary that we should build up schools or colleges for this education, but I think what we can do is to teach the person, to tell the person who is going to get married to be responsible, and those who have children already, I don't think so they are none of them is eligible even for this, but yes, they are psychologists, and we can have them, we can get help from them to teach our parents how to be more cooperative. And I think the more these issues between the parents and the children starts when the teenage life of the children starts. So for the teenagers, we can also teach them in school how to talk to their parents, how to convince them. And as for the therapy sessions, there are many therapy sessions available in other countries as well as in Pakistan. Some are available in big cities like Lahore and Islamabad, which helps children and parents to understand each other better.
Okay, thank you. Would you like to say something on that point? And other real story I'm going to share with you, that one of my relatives, he is living in Islamabad. 1 month ago, I I heard by someone that the son, he is around about only 24 years old. He committed suicide, and what was the reason? He was using mobile all the time in the room, and he was playing some games. Okay, and he was earning a lot of money from, you can say that 1 lakh, 2 lakh in a night. So you can say that he was earning a lot of money from that kind of game. And there was the last stage maybe that he had to hang himself with a fan. Okay, and then I had the video in mobile as well, how that person committed his suicide. Is it happening just because of generation gap? Because I feel that it was not the day when that person committed suicide. There had been a time when that person had been playing that kind of game. Why parents were not aware that kind of the activity of that person? Who was responsible for the suicide of that person?
Both are responsible. Both are responsible at their own level. And even though the system is also responsible, that there should be a preferred subject that should be called leadership qualities. leadership or some other type of it includes all the qualities that a normal person should have. Influencing ability and all cooperation, cooperative, and all these type of things which we should have. And the parents, when parents learn these things, and they also treat their children and influence their children not to do these type of negative things, so you should do these positive things. And if student is doing some type of is for example, if he or she is using over use of mobile, so their parents should ask them and influence in a positive way, that what are the negative things you will get by overusing of mobile phone.
Okay, thank you. Would you like to say something on that topic?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Who was responsible actually?
I think so. Both are the responsible, and first, parents should not impose their decisions. That I want to make you son a doctor, I want to make an engineer. But students and children also tell to their parents that I want to become this, I want to become that, I want to become a journalist because it's safe and it's I am interested in it. And parents also understand them, and also tell if they are disobeying their children, they should tell them that this field is not suitable for you, and they have to tell the reasons, not on the basis of just you can't do this, you are unavailable for this job. No, both have to compromise, both have to communicate in open area, in open you can say environment.
Okay, anybody wants to say something now on that topic? Yes, Sahar.
Sir, I think you are asking who was the responsible. We can't be judgmental here. And as you mentioned, it was not one day, it was not one event. There must have been sequences of events which led that guy to end his life. And he, as you mentioned, his age, that he was 24 years old. So he was not some, he was not some teenager with, hormonal activities inside him. He was very mature guy. 24 years is a good age when you can become mature at this age. But he still decides to end his life just because of his parents scolded him for using mobile. And I think there are many issues need to highlight it. First, his parents have not made him independent. He didn't let him think independently, and at even the age of the 24.
Actually, there was a freedom for that person. He was playing that game in the room, and there was no there was no force from the parents. Okay, you are not going to play the games. He was playing all the time in the room, and the parents did know that okay, he was playing the game. So he committed that kind of suicide just by taking his own decision. Okay, he was playing in the room. My question is there that he had been playing that game for a long time. Why parents were not involved that kind of the activity? Why did not get the information? Do you think that the parents are responsible or the child is responsible in that sense? Yes.
Sir, in that case, I think parents are responsible. Sir, it doesn't matter that a person who is...
If they are responsible, so there is a question that, okay, what kind of generation gap they have created among, created among their child and themselves?
Sir, personally I feel that if parents grew him like that, they don't have generation gap in themselves, and they can communicate easily. If the parents will never hesitate to ask him to interfere in his things. That
what could be the solution to solve this problem? It is going to happen every day. You people are getting that kind of news that okay, your children, they are not ready to follow your advice. It is happening all the time. So what could be the solution to solve this problem?
The solution is the system should raise the general awareness of how to parenting.
What could be the role? What could be the role right now? Okay, so many things are going to happen, and your people are going to read all kind of news on newspaper. So how we can control that kind of thing?
Sir,
how can we make our parenting good?
Sir, I think you are talking about the parents. What parents should do?
What should be the role right now to
role
avoid
of
such type of incidents in future?
What should be the role of parents?
Parents. In that sense.
Sir, I think the parents should taught their children and they improve their skills like influence, communication and cooperation.
And they have a communication.
and-
What are the things they have to do? Would you like to say something that how can we stop that kind of accidents in the future now?
Sir,
Would you like to say something? Yes.
one point I want to add that we have and today is the technological power is
Okay.
really matters, and we have social media platforms, and when the people raise voices again on that type of cases on social media platforms, on YouTube, Instagram, and approximately every person is using social media.
They are using. So how the parents should be playing their role regarding their parenting? Why there is a generation gap? Why that incident happened? Okay, what could have been done to stop that kind of
Such
activity
generation
there?
gap is natural and inevitable. It remains, but due to the cooperation of children and parents, and the things that are going wrong, so they will definitely.
Sir, you would like to say, you were going to say something now. So, brother, would you like to say on that whole topic? Yes, sir, first.
Sir, I think parents need to be a little more flexible with their children, and
Okay.
so is the true for the children.
They should be playing with their children
Yes,
as well.
sir,
They should
I
be
think
watching
so.
all the cartoons as well.
Yes,
What
sir.
kind of cartoon that little children are watching, the parents should be sitting with them, and they should be watching all the activities. They should know,
Yes.
because if they are not watching, so basically they are making them free.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
This is this was very exactly I was going to say. His parents, the case of the boy sir mentioned, his parents were not watching him what he was doing on his phone. Instead, his father, he can say him, show me what are you doing, not in a very aggressive way, but just to learn. He have a conversation. He should have a conversation with him, and very politely ask his son to teach whatever he was playing, so he can play with him. If he do not want to play a game on phone, he can offer his son to play to go outside and play some physical games.
Yes,
So
my brother.
I
Would
In
you?
my opinion, parents should advise to their children that what is better for their futures. So the main reason is that mostly younger people in our generation, they are addicted in social media platform. So they want to first of all, parents should parents should ask to their children what they want to do in their future. So they should take
There should be a proper debate between parents and children.
yes.
They should feel that kind of freedom that okay, we can talk to our parents, and parents should have a friendly behavior with their children.
Yes.
So you can lessen that kind of thing there. Okay, next question I'm going to ask you there, and you people are going to answer me, and you can also going to advise me. We have a generation gap regarding our fashion. We have a generation gap regarding our gadgets, like our parents used to use landline, and right now we people are using mobile and something like that. So we have generation gap everywhere. Some places are there where I personally feel there is no generation gap. Like, I'm suffering from high fever. There is an application in our school. Okay, there is no generation gap. I have an urgent piece of work. There is no generation gap. There is no practical in our schools. In science classes, there is no generation gap. And we are writing on the papers what we have learned by heart, by what we have crammed. There is no generation gap. What is the problem? Why we do not have generation gap in that field? Right now, for example, if you go to paper, so there's a question in the paper that okay, you have to write an application regarding the illness, and you are writing the same application my father, maybe my grandfather, he wrote 40 years back, and I'm writing the same application in the examination. Why there is no generation gap in our education? Educational comedy? What is happening there? Would you like to say something, Sidra?
I think so. Our education system is very outdated. I have studied at the syllabus which we are studying today. Decades ago, our ex-seniors and our forefathers have studied also that syllabus. It means that education systems should be up to date, and there should be more subject. Even whenever we study about a discovery, okay, teacher takes a lecture and he learned us this discovery and about that scientist. And when I go to YouTube, I search for that discovery. We come to know that that discovery was wrong. It was not acceptable. Now there are more discoveries, and it means we are studying in the wrong way. If we have our education system up to date, we can learn new things, and we can lessen this generation gap. And I think so. We have generation gap.
Similarly, there is syllabus which long lasting and years or centuries ago. And even though I want to mention that Mr. Chips, and if I talk about my father, he read Mr. Chips in 1996.
But actually, you cannot remove the classical things. You cannot remove Ghalib with
Sir?
any person who is writing right now, because the class of Ghalib is much better than those people who are writing right now.
So we cannot remove Ghalib, but there are many people, many other persons who let their lives for adab, for English, or some for Urdu, Mazameen, or some things like that. And so we should put these things in our syllabus, in our curriculum, and continuously
We are taking all these things from masjid. We are taking all these things from our house. So why we should be putting all the things in our syllabus? There is the English syllabus, and we should know that how the people are living all over the world. Because Mr. Chips is being taught not in Pakistan, it is being taught all over the world there. So there is a syllabus.
So we have many of personalities, Muslim personalities.
So you have
in front of us.
Islamiyat. You have Islamiyat. Why are you not learning from that kind of thing? And
We
there is a
have-
library as well.
Sir, we have Islamiyat, but we must have in these things in English subject.
Why we people are trying to replace Shakespeare from English with some Muslim scholars? Shakespeare, it does have a place over there. Milton does have a place over there. So we need to work on something different there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me ask another question, because we have only 2 minutes left, and in 2 minutes you people are going to tell me why we people, for example, we people have been talking about that because there is a generation gap here in our society, where there is no generation gap. One example is there. After the completion of your degrees, okay, 40 years back, there was a complaint that, okay, we people are not getting jobs. And right now, after 40 years, right now the colleges are exporting so many BS students. But BS students, they are not getting jobs. Unemployment, and there is no opportunity. So why there is no generation gap? 40 years back, we could say that, okay, we were not getting any kind of job. And there should be a generation gap right now that, mashallah, after 40 years we are getting a job. Why it is not happening in the field of getting job or employment? Yes, ma'am.
Sir, I think we already discussed about the technology, how it had revolved, and economy and everything has revolved around us. But as you mentioned in the last question, that our education is still same as our parents have. There is no generation gap in our education sector at all. They have
Our
studied.
parents cannot just taunt us, okay, there is a generation gap.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. They cannot. Like they
We have the
studied
same habits.
They study Mr. Chips, and we are doing it as well. And Mr. Chips is a good book. But as for the sciences books and for the tech book of the first year class in our colleges is very, very outdated book. Like it's just about how to start a computer, which I think even a 4 or
The
5.
definition of mouse as well.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Which I think even a 4 or 5 year old child knows as well. So I think the main reason for the unemployment is that if you go to any company and ask them that why is there there is so much unemployment in our country, they will give the right response. They said that there are not skilled people in our country. So I think that's the main reason behind the unemployment is actually the education gap, education similarities we have with our parents. If there has been an education gap in with our parents, so I think there would have been no unemployment.
Okay, thank you for all of you. And now we people are going to wind up the discussion now. Before we wind up the discussion, let me tell you something what is because I lost my parents 2 or 3 years back and 5 to 6 years back my father. تو اس کو میں تھوڑا سا اردو میں بتا دیتا ہوں کہ میرا جو جنریشن گیپ جو آج تک میں نے فیل کیا ہے جس کو میں کبھی ریورس نہیں کر سکا وہ یہ والا تھا کہ لاسٹ مومنٹ تھی ICU وارڈ کے اندر. مائی فادر واز الائیو دیئر اور میں نے ان کے نرم ہاتھ کو محسوس کیا تھا. اور جب میں وہاں سے واپس آیا اور پھر تھوڑی دیر کے بعد میں کمرے میں گیا تو وہ ہاتھ ٹھنڈے پڑ چکے تھے. اور وہ جو ان کے ہاتھوں کی گرمائش ہے وہ آج تک میں ڈھونڈ رہا ہوں. اور میں نے ایک لکھا تھا کہ اے حسرت میرے دل وچ ہے جے لمس ملے انہاں ہتھاں دا میں وقت دے پیری پی جاواں. تو مجھے آج تک وہ لمس نہیں ملا. میں آج تک اس لمس کو محسوس کرتا ہوں. میری کوئی صبح ایسی نہیں تھی کہ میں صبح فرسٹ ٹائم نکلا ہوں اور میں نے اپنی والدہ کا چہرہ نہ چوما ہو. کبھی ایسا نہیں ہوا ان مائی ہول لائف. اور کبھی ایسا نہیں ہوا کہ میں گھر میں جا کے اپنی والدہ سے پہلے کسی کو ملا ہوں اور ان کا ماتھا نہ چوماؤں. اور میرے لیے سب سے زیادہ تکلیف دہ چیز وہ تھی جس دن فوتگی کے بعد میں پہلے دن ELC آیا تھا. اور انتہائی تکلیف دہ چیز وہ تھی جب میں واپس گھر گیا تھا. تو ہمارے ایشوز بے شمار ہو سکتے ہیں. وی ہیو سو مینی پرابلمس دیئر. لیکن جو چیز آپ کے پاس اب میسر ہے جس کو ہم جنریشن گیپ کے اندر بے شمار چیزوں کے ساتھ ہم اگری ہوتے ہیں ڈس اگری ہوتے ہیں. آپ اپنی گیجٹس کو استعمال کرنا چاہتے ہیں, آپ نہیں کرنا چاہتے, آپ کے یہ والے ایمز ہیں, آپ کے وہ والے ایمز نہیں ہیں. آپ کو محسوس بھی نہیں ہوتا وہ کتنے غم آپ کے برداشت کر کے تو آپ کو خوش کر جاتے ہیں. اور کتنی تکلیفوں میں سے وہ نکل کے صرف آپ کے چہرے کی اسمائل کو بتانے کے لیے وہ کہتے ہیں کہ ایسے نہیں ہونا چاہیے. مجھے ابھی تک یاد کہ میرے والد صاحب جب بیمار ہوئے نا تو ان کی جو تکلیف تھی انہوں نے مجھے کبھی نہیں بتائی. اور میری والدہ کہتی تھی کہ اچھا آپ اپنے بیٹے کو بتائیں نا, کہتے منڈا پریشان ہو جائے گا. اور میں نے پچھلے دنوں ایک چیز لکھی کہ ایک والدہ کے ایک دن پہلے کی وفات سے ایک دن کی پہلے کی بات ہے کہ پانی وغیرہ ان کا کینسر تھا, 5 سال وہ کینسر میرے, پھر بعد میں آخری دن کے اوپر گئے. تو وہ جو آخری لمحات تھے اس سے ایک دن پہلے کی بات ہے کہ بولنا بند ہو گیا, پانی بھی نہیں پی رہے تھے. اور جب میں ان کے قریب گیا اور میں نے کہا کہ اماں جی کچھ تو کہیں, کوئی بات تو کہیں, میں تو کوئی حکم کرے مجھے. تو 7 بجے کا ٹائم تھا, تھک کے یہاں پر وہاں سے پڑھا کے گیا تھا. تو انہوں نے ایک سمپل سی بات کی جو آج تک میرے کانوں میں گونجتی ہے اور وہ یہ تھی کہ پتر روٹی کھادی ہے. اٹ واز ٹو ڈیفیکلٹ. کہنے کا مطلب یہ ہے کہ آج آپ کے پاس وہ ساری چیزیں ہیں, آپ کے بہت سارے ڈریمز ہو سکتے ہیں, بہت ساری, آپ امریکہ جائیں, انگلینڈ جائیں, آسٹریلیا جائیں, جہاں مرضی جائیں. آپ کا بیسک جو جنریشن گیپ جو ڈیولپ ہونا نا وہ یہ والا ہونا ہے جب اپنے والدین سے دور ہو جائیں گے, ان کی محبت سے دور ہو جائیں گے اور وہ انتظار کریں گے کہ کب آپ آئیں اور آپ سے بات کریں. آپ کا جنریشن گیپ تب سٹارٹ ہوگا کہ جب آپ کے والد آپ کے سامنے بیٹھے ہوں اور آپ موبائل یوز کرتے ہوئے کہیں, جسے پنجابی میں کہتے ہیں نا چارنا, جی ابو جی آپ گل کرو, خیر ہے میں سن رہا ہوں. نو, آپ کا جنریشن گیپ یہاں سے سٹارٹ ہو جاتا ہے. اور میں یہ سمجھتا ہوں کہ جیسے خدا کہتا ہے کہ جب مجھ سے ملنے آؤ اور جب تم کہو کہ اللہ اکبر تو اٹ مین دیٹ اوکے دیر از نو کنیکشن ود دا ورلڈ, فل کنسنٹریشن. آپ نے دنیا کی کسی معاملے کو اپنے نہیں آنا چاہیے, یہ خدا کو ملنے کے معاملات ہیں. اور جب اپنے والدین کو ملنا ہے اور اس کے بعد جب آپ کو اپنے والدین سے ملیں اور آپ کے پاس ہزاروں معاملات ہوں کہ آپ نے واٹس ایپ پر جواب بھی دینا ہے, آپ نے فیس بک کو بھی دیکھنا ہے, آپ نے انسٹاگرام کو بھی اپنا چیک کرنا, اور آپ اپنی کنسنٹریشن کو ڈیولپ نہ کرتے ہو, تو ایک جنریشن گیپ جو آپ کو ان ایکسپیکٹڈلی مل جانا اور ایک جو بذات خود آپ کریٹ کر رہے ہیں. کچھ ایسے غم ہیں جس کو آپ آج تعمیر کر رہے ہیں جس کے بعد پوری عمر پچھتائیں گے. تو ایک چیز تو کم از کم یہ کریں کہ جب بھی والدین سے ملیں تو ویسے ملیں کہ اب آپ کے درمیان ان کے درمیان نہ کوئی خیال حائل ہو, نہ کوئی کسی کا تصور حائل ہو, بس آپ ہوں اور آپ کے والدین ہوں. پوری دنیا میں چلے جائیں, جس چیز کو آپ اینڈ کے اوپر کہیں گے کہ میری اچھی اور سچی محبت وہ تھی, وہ والدین ہے. جسے آپ بے لوث کہیں گے اس کا متبادل آپ کو نہیں ملنے والا. لیکن اگر آپ کے آج کے پلان ان کو آپ بنائیں پلان, یو مسٹ گو ٹو امریکہ ایوری ویئر, لیکن ایسے جائیں کہ آپ کے والدین آپ کو پیار دیں اور کہیں کہ پتر تو جا, میں انشاءاللہ تیرے واسطے دعا کرنی ہے. ہرٹ کر کے کبھی نہ نکلیں, نہ کسی گھر سے نکلیں, کیونکہ میں نے اکثر خبریں دیکھی ہیں, کیونکہ میرے نہیں ہے نا تو اس لیے میں آپ کو بتا رہا ہوں. اکثر ایسے ہوتا ہے کہ کھیلنے کے لیے ہم لڑ کے نکلتے ہیں, دل دکھا کے نکلتے ہیں, اور بعد میں آدھے گھنٹے کے بعد خبر آ جاتی ہے ہارٹ اٹیک ہوا ہے. اور وہ کتنی جذبات ہیں جو آپ کے دل کے اندر ہمیشہ آپ کو کوستے رہیں گے. تو جنریشن گیپ تو رہنا ہے. آپ مجھ سے کہتے ہیں جی وہ فلاں بچہ جو تھا, دیکھیں جی پہلے حالات ابھی والدین سے سنتے ہیں, پہلے حالات بڑے چنگے سن, لوگ ایک دوجے نہ پیار کرتے سن, ایک دوجے کو بیٹھتے سن, کمیونیکیشن کرتے سن. سقراط نے, شاید آپ نے یہ پڑھا ہو, سقراط کا کہاں پر ہزاروں سال پہلے کی بات ہے, سقراط نے بھی سیم یہی پرابلم کی تھی. جو پہلے بچے ہیں وہ بہت اچھے ہوتے تھے, وہ دوسروں کے پاس بیٹھتے تھے. تو آپ کا موڈ چینج ہو جائے, موڈ آف کمیونیکیشن چینج ہو گئے, موڈ آف ٹریول چینج ہو جائے, لیکن آپ کے ایٹیکیٹس نہیں تبدیل ہونے چاہیے. وہ جو بندہ تبدیل کرے گا, جس نے ماضی میں تبدیل کیا, وہ آج بھی اس کا نقصان اٹھا رہا ہے. کیونکہ جیسا کرو گے ویسا بھرو گے, یہ 2024 کا سنٹینس نہیں ہے, یہ جب سے کائنات بنی ہے تب سے سنٹینس ہے. آپ مثبت سوچو گے تو میرے خیال میں جتنے مطمئن آپ رہو گے نا, دنیا میں کوئی نہیں رہے گا. اور اگر آپ یہ سوچو گے کہ ہاں وہ بندہ کامیاب کیوں ہو رہا ہے, اس سے زیادہ بے چین میں نے آدمی دنیا میں نہیں دیکھا, اس کے پاس یہ والی کون سی چیز آ گئی ہے. اور پورے قرآن پاک کے اندر کچھ چیزیں جنریشن گیپ میں جو ہمیں نقصان دے رہی ہیں بحیثیت نوجوان, شاید ہمیں بہت ساری چیزیں ایسی آ گئی ہیں کہ جو نہیں آنی چاہیے تھے نوجوان نسل میں, کچھ بہت بہتر ہے. مثال کے طور پر ابھی ہمارے اندر یہ شاید جو کنسیپٹ ہے خیرات کا بھی ہے, ہم سارا کچھ کرتے ہیں, لیکن کچھ چیزیں جو ہمارے والدین میں تھیں جو ہم میں نہیں ہیں, وہ یہ ہے کنسنٹریشن. وہ 10 دادی اماں کے پاس بیٹھنا اور 6 بچے بیٹھے ہیں اور پوری کنسنٹریشن دے رہے ہیں, کیونکہ اس وقت میڈیا نہیں تھا, اور میڈیا کا سب سے بڑی جو چیز تھی وہ کون سی, والدین تھے. آج وہ لیک ہو گیا, اس کو دوبارہ سے ڈیولپ کرنا ہے. ایک اور چیز جو آپ کو میں بتانا چاہتا ہوں, آپ کی دادی امی ہے, آپ کا دادا ابو, آپ کے والدین ہیں, آپ وہ کہانیاں سنانا چاہتے ہیں, اور وہ کہانی پھر ایک دفعہ نہیں سناتے, بار بار ریپیٹ کرتے ہیں. اور ان کے لیے جو دنیا کا سب سے بڑا لسنر ہے وہ آپ ہیں. اور آپ نے کیا کیا کہ جو کہانی سننے کا ٹائم تھا, جو ان کا دل ہلکا کرنے کا ٹائم تھا, آپ موبائل پر لگا رہے ہیں, آپ انہیں ہرٹ کر رہے ہیں ایوری سیکنڈ. وہ اپنی کہانیاں لے کے سینے میں چھپا کے بیٹھے ہیں کہ کب وہ بچے اکٹھے ہوں اور کب میں اپنی انہیریٹ جو ہے نا بچوں تک لے کے جاؤں. تو یہ ایک جنریشن گیپ جہاں پر والدین کی طرف سے بھی بنتا ہے, وہاں پر بچوں کا جو جنریشن گیپ ہے یہ والا. میں جاتے ہیں تو بھئی جیسے خدا کی ذات کو ملتے ہو, اللہ اکبر کرنے کے بعد دیر از نو آئیڈیا, دیر از نو انٹرفیئرنس فرام دا ورلڈ. جب آپ جب والدہ سے ملو تو یہ موبائل اہم نہیں ہے, پھر ماں اہم ہے, جس کے پاؤں کے نیچے جنت ہے, جس کے بارے میں آپ صلی اللہ علیہ وسلم نے فرمایا کہ مجھے آواز دے گی میں نماز چھوڑ کے بھی نکل جاؤں گا. پھر اس کے بعد آپ صلی اللہ علیہ وسلم کی ذات نے وہ ایک منظر یاد آتا ہے کہ آپ صلی اللہ علیہ وسلم اپنی والدہ کی قبر کو چوم کے نکلتے ہیں, قافلہ چلتا ہے, اور پھر دوڑ کے واپس آ جاتے ہیں, اور پھر آ کے اسے لپٹ جاتے ہیں, پھر قافلے والے اٹھاتے ہیں چلو. اب تو آپ کو زیادہ سوفسٹیکیٹڈ ہونا چاہیے, زیادہ انفارمڈ ہونا چاہیے, زیادہ ویل ایکوپڈ ہونا چاہیے. تو یہ چیزیں زندگی کی بہت اہم ہیں. جنریشن گیپ جو ہے, جو سب سے خطرناک چیز ہے وہ یہ والی ہے اسٹوڈنٹس کے لیے کہ یار اگر آپ کی کنیکٹیویٹی اپنے والدین سے کم ہو گئی ہے, آپ کے دادا ابو اور دادی امی کی کہانیاں ان کے سینے میں مر رہی ہیں, تو یو آر اے کریمنل, آپ بہت بڑے مجرم ہیں. اور خدا کی قسم آپ سے بڑا مجرم کوئی نہیں ہے. اگر آپ کے والدین حیات ہیں, آپ کی دادی اور دادا حیات ہیں, تو موبائل کو ایک سائڈ پر رکھیں, ان سے کہیں کہ اب میرا دادی کا ٹائم ہے اور یہ میرا سب سے اہم ٹائم ہے. جب آپ اتنا ٹائم نکالیں گے, دیکھیں آپ کو ذہنی سیٹسفیکشن ملے گی, آپ کی انہیریٹنس میں وہ چیزیں آئیں گی, آپ کے بلڈ میں وہ چیزیں آئیں گی کہ آپ محسوس کریں گے. اور وہ بے لوث گفتگو والدہ کی, دادی اماں کی, دادے کی, جب وہ آپ سے شیئر ہوں گی تو آپ کا باڈی ٹیمپریچر جو ہے, آپ کو جو سکون ملے گا وہ کبھی بھی کائنات میں کہیں نہیں مل سکتا. تو اپنی میموریز کے اندر بہت ساری یادوں کو کلیکٹ کریں. اور جو سب سے مین چیز ہے جنریشن گیپ کے اندر, آپ کی وجہ سے آپ کے والدین کے ساتھ جنریشن گیپ جو ہے نا وہ ڈیولپ نہیں ہونا چاہیے. یو ہیو ٹو گیو فل فوکس فار یور پریزنٹیشن فار یور پیرنٹس دیئر. سو